Materials used. Making a DOI relay module involves several steps, including selecting the appropriate components, assembling the circuit on a breadboard or PCB, and testing the functionality of the module. Start by selecting a relay that meets your requirements. You'll need to consider the voltage and current ratings of your application to choose a suitable relay. Other required components: a transistor NPN, a resistor 1K ohm, a diode 1N4007. To connect your DIY relay module with a remote control, you'll need a receiver that can decode signals from the remote and trigger the relay module accordingly. Program the microcontroller or Arduino to read the signals from the remote control and trigger the relay module accordingly. If you want to program it to perform more advanced functions, such as triggering the relay module based on certain conditions, or controlling multiple relay modules, draw your circuit on a PCB board using a permanent marker. Make sure to include the relay, transistor, diode, and resistors in your design. Solder the components onto the PCB board. Make sure to follow the schematic diagram. Attach the terminal block to the PCB board to make it easy to connect to your microcontroller or other control circuit. Schematic diagram. Connect the low voltage control circuit to the relay module. This can be done by connecting the control signal to the base of the transistor. I have also used this relay module with a remote control in another project, similar to this one. The results will only be revealed when all three judges have voted.
Reset. Down. Kaboto na, wala pa. Down. Down. Up. Down, down, up. Sakto. Reset. Goods.